So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for the device installed. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand system. Now you want to expand current control set. Now you want to expand control. I'm just going to expand this. And now you want to scroll down till you find graphics drivers. We're going to scroll down till we find graphics drivers. You're going to click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you just want to right click and then click on new. And then click on dword 32-bit value. And now you want to rename this as TDR delay. Use the same spelling, capitals and lowercase as I did, and then click on enter. And now you want to double click on TDR delay. In the value data box right here, set this to 10. So in this box, type in 10 and then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.